Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create digital elevation model from point data in ArcGIS. For example, I've gone to the field and I've collected point data with their corresponding elevation value in meter. So I can use this data to create digital elevation model for these very locations. So the first thing, right click and open the attributes table. When I open the attributes table, you can see the elevation value here in meter, and I have a lot of points that I've collected. Now we can use this value to generate the digital elevation model for this very study area. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and this is very useful when you want to create a specific resolution of digital elevation model of your study area or a particular site. So let me show you how to get it done. So come to Arc Toolbox, come to 3D Analyst 2, and come to Raster Interpolation. Then come to Topo to Raster. Double click to open the tool. When it opens, input feature data, that will be our topographic points data. Then our output surface raster. Click here and navigate to your working folder. So let's name it digital elevation model from points. So click on save. The name is too long. Let's just say digital elevation model underscore points. Yes, it has accepted it. Now if I scroll down here, output cell size. How do we know the output cell size? That depends on you. Alternatively, come and measure the distance between the points. So I can take the measure tool and measure the distance between 2 points. So here you can see the distance between 2 points. So if you wish, you can enter that distance or you can leave it at default. So let me close this measure tool. Meanwhile, set other parameters here, the field you want to use to do the interpolation. So click here and select the elevation field. Then the type, come here, click on the drop down and select point elevation. So we are using the elevation field to create the digital elevation model, and the type will be point elevation. So if I scroll down, leave other thing at default, and of course you can just go through them and see and just play along with them. However, you can leave other thing at default and click on OK. So this will run and create the digital elevation model for this very area. It may take some time depending on how large your study area is. Yes, it is done. Now let me uncheck this point and then let me zoom the DEM to layer. Right click and zoom to layer. Here is the digital elevation model of the points I've created. Let me close this. Now if you look at it, to better appreciate it, let's go and change the properties. Right click and open the properties. Then come under symbology. Instead of classify, let's choose stretch and then click on OK. Yes, you can see the digital elevation model of the place created from the point data. So you can see how it looks like. So in this video, I've been able to show you how to create your digital elevation model from point data. If you have any questions, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.